So you'll need half a cup of coconut oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a cup peanut butter, but you can also use almond butter if you'd like, and then a sweetener of your choice. I just use Swerve. So then you'll just fire up the stove. I like to put mine on medium heat so it doesn't burn, but so it goes by pretty quickly because I'm pretty impatient. I like to melt the coconut oil and the almond and peanut butter together just so the cocoa powder and the sweetener has something to stick to when it gets in there. As I said, I like to use half and half, so I'll use a 1/4 cup of peanut butter and a 1/4 cup of almond butter, and it still tastes just as good. And I just used the rest of the cocoa powder I had, which was about 2 to 3 tablespoons, as I said. And there she goes. And I don't like to dirty too many spoons when I'm making recipes, so I just eyeballed the sweetener, but it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons, I promise. And then you just take it off the stove, let it cool for a minute, and then just pour it into the mold of your choice. This, as you can see, I spilled everywhere. This makes about 16 in a normal ice cube tray, but this is all I had. And at the end, that was just the extra nuts from the peanut butter. And then once it's poured up, you just put it in the freezer for like an hour or until it's solid. I don't know how strong your freezers are, but it usually takes about 30 minutes for mine to like fully solidify. And then once it's frozen, you are fully ready to enjoy it. And these are so delicious. I swear they taste exactly like Reese's peanut butter cups. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.